Wish your pan never stuck?
And cleaned in seconds? Watch this.
Hi, I'm Melissa H. Fenton. Welcome to Homepantrypro.
Today we're reviewing the Anolon Advanced Hard-Anodized Deep Frying Pan, a 12-inch skillet built for serious home cooks.
Infinity Slide Nonstick makes food release perfectly. Even eggs need almost no oil.
Hard-anodized aluminum ensures even heating with 0 hot spots.
Deep sloped sides and a helper handle make it ideal for stir fries and one-pan meals without splatter.
Use medium heat and silicone utensils. It stays slick and cleans instantly.
Downside? Not induction compatible. And metal tools or dishwashers shorten coating life. Overall, this pan can replace 2 or 3 old ones, perfect for everyday cooking. Don't forget to subscribe.